In a world where everything is connected, what happens when those connections are vulnerable? From the data on your phone to the financial systems that run the global economy, everything relies on technology. And as technology grows, so do the threats hiding within it. This is where ethical hacking comes in. It's a world where hackers don't just break things, they fix them. They uncover the flaws that criminals would exploit and patch them before any real damage can be done. Ethical hacking isn't about chaos or causing harm. It's about protection. It's about finding weaknesses in systems before bad actors do. You see, ethical hackers are the guardians of the digital world, constantly searching for flaws to prevent cyber attacks. Consider the countless data breaches that have rocked the world in recent years. Millions of personal records exposed. Banks, hospitals, governments, all vulnerable. In many cases, these breaches happen because of simple vulnerabilities, things that could have been discovered and fixed by an ethical hacker. Each instance highlights the costs in terms of lost data and money. So what exactly is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is the practice of intentionally probing a system, a network, or an application to find weaknesses before the bad guys do. It's sanctioned, it's legal, and it's incredibly necessary. Now, you might be wondering, how is ethical hacking different from regular hacking? The difference is consent and intent. Ethical hackers have permission to test systems, and their goal is to protect, not exploit. They work for organizations or independently to secure sensitive information. Host, there are three types of hackers. Black hat hackers are the criminals, breaking into systems for profit, revenge, or chaos. Gray hats blur the lines, sometimes hacking without permission, but without malicious intent. And then there are white hats, the ethical hackers. They're the ones defending us, searching for vulnerabilities with the goal of making systems stronger. Ethical hackers use the same skills as black hat hackers, but for the right reasons. They perform what's called penetration testing, simulating attacks to see where a company's defenses break down. Once they find a weak spot, they report it and help patch the issue before any real harm can occur. The process of ethical hacking usually involves 4 key stages. 1. Reconnaissance, gathering information about the target. 2. Scanning, looking for vulnerabilities in the target system. 3. Exploitation, testing those vulnerabilities to see if they can be breached. 4. Reporting, finally documenting the findings and helping the organization secure their systems. The job of an ethical hacker doesn't end with finding flaws. They help organizations understand how they were vulnerable and what steps they can take to prevent future attacks. They become part of the solution, not the problem. But ethical hacking isn't just a job, it's a mission. In a world that is increasingly dependent on digital technology, ethical hackers are at the front line, ensuring that people, businesses, and governments can operate safely online. Host, without ethical hackers, the digital landscape would be full of unknown threats, lurking in every corner. With every vulnerability they find, with every system they secure, they make the internet a safer place. Ethical hacking is important because it's about protecting more than just data. It's about protecting people. Behind every computer is a person, and behind every network, a community. Ethical hackers ensure that the systems we rely on remain safe from harm. If you're interested in technology, problem solving, and protecting others, ethical hacking might just be the perfect field for you. It's more than just knowing how to break into systems. It's about how to fix them, protect them, and make the digital world a safer place for all of us. Subscribe to this channel for more insights into the world of ethical hacking, cybersecurity tips, and how you can become a defender in the age of digital threats. Remember, every vulnerability is a potential disaster, and every ethical hacker is a force for good.